What up, mija? So today I'm gonna go ahead and show you this quick little bronzy everyday kind of makeup that I did on Cynthia. I started off with prepping her skin with Natural Radiance in yellow, off camera of course, and then I did Studio Fix Fluid all over her face, even under her eyes to cover any discoloration she might have. I used a brush just to sheer out the foundation, and then with a sponge I pack it on wherever I feel like she needed a little bit more loving. And then I'm gonna go in with NC30 and Pro Longwear Concealer. The reason I use this concealer is just because it's gonna brighten up her under eye, make her, that bitch of the night. And then it's gonna have a 15-hour wear to a matte finish. And it's also full coverage. So I put this concealer underneath her eyes, her forehead, the bridge of her nose, and on her chin just to pop up those bomb ass features that she does, have. And then I go off camera and set her whole face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and medium plus mineral powder by MAC. Then I'm gonna go in with some Gimme Sun, also in the mineral formula. And I know she loves this. She loves to bathe in this, so I'm gonna give it to her and set her up for success. And I'm not so big on like contouring the nose, like to the point where it looks like you got surgery. Unless you like that, then I'll do it. But I use this big old brush just to put a little bit of color back on her nose. Obviously, like the jawline, just to emphasize and bring it a little bit forward, but nothing too crazy where it doesn't look like her. You know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna go with this amazing blush by MAC. Also, it's Peaches. If you haven't heard of this blush, where the fuck have you been, sis? Then I'm gonna go ahead and put some Hyper Glow on her cheeks. I am aware that it doesn't show up, no sé por qué, but in person it was motherfucking poppin'. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with some charcoal brown eyeshadow by MAC. You know what? I'm gonna stop saying by MAC because most of these products are by MAC. But I use powder for her brows, and I like to just sculpt them out just a little bit and try to make them sisters, not twins. And if you guys are wondering why I sound like shit, it's because estoy enfermo, güey. Casi me muero. But anyways, let's proceed with the video. And then now I'm going with the same concealer that I used, which is NC30 Pro Longwear Concealer, underneath her brows just to carve them out and make them look fucking snatched, bitch. So now I'm taking Texture, which is like soft brown sister, but a little bit more of a diva, as a transition shade, all over her lid with the 224, the original brush, not the S. This is like the real hair. And I like to just coat it all over, get it very close to the brow bone, porque si no, no se ve, güey. Anyways, then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some brown script in a bit. And I like to put it on that very outside. I didn't know where I was going with this originally, but then I was like, envisioned it, felt her oats, and I was like, you know what? Como que no lo voy a poner hacia afuera. So I only put it at the very outer corner, and I brought it in just a bit because I wanted to put a darker shade, which I'm going to put Embark on the outer side just to give her like a little bit more depth with a little tighter brush, which is going to be the 217. Also the real hair, it's not going to be the synthetic. And then I'm packing Amber Lights with a flat brush just to give her that nice gold little shimmer frost on that lid of hers. And then I like to grab a little bit of Black Track fluid gel liner and pack it underneath the eye just because I feel like it stays on a little bit longer, and then I set it with carbon. I went off camera obviously and did Black Track wing liner, and I used 48 lashes, and I did liquid lipstick Burnt Spice with Just Hustle and Grand Illusion gloss. And I'm gonna set her face with some Fix Plus just to cancel any like powder and everything, and then some 24-hour brow setter on her brows just to set them and emphasize them a little bit more. And there you go, there you have it, you guys. I hope you guys loved it. Let me know if you guys like listening to me, even though like I sound a little bit annoying, pero como si les gusta, nomás díganme and I'll make more videos like this, more in depth. Obviously I'll make more dramatic videos, but I feel like really bitch on the daily, I know y'all be rocking this versus the fucking blue, green, pink halo cut crease. Okay sis, adios.